Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss one equilibrium question. Here I have taken the screenshot of that question. Let us first write the given data. Here the Kb of the monoacetic base. Look at this monoacetic base. The meaning for monoacetic base will be BOH. What is the meaning here? Monoacetic. That is, it can react. That is the base which can react with only one equivalent of acid. That is only one H plus. Then we can call that as monoacetic base. Once again, I am repeating that one. Monoacetic base is nothing but the base which is having OH minus ion, but that OH minus ion will react with only one equivalent of H plus. That is, only one OH will be there. So we can simply represent the monoacetic base as BOH and monobasic acid as HA. There should be only one H that can react with only one equivalent of base. And then here look at this, they have taken the 2.5 ml, that is volume of this monoacetic base will be 2.5 ml. Always the volume you should write in liter. So that's why I'm going to write that in liter 0.0025 ml. Sorry, it's not ml, liter. I'm just converting that into liter. So ml will be converted into liter by dividing that by 1000. And then the molarity they have given, the molarity will be 2/5 molarity. And then one more thing, they have given one acid. So monoacetic base with one acid. The acid will be, the volume of the acid they didn't give. So we have to find out that volume of acid. How we can able to find out that one? By reacting the stoichiometric equation of monoacetic base with monobasic acid, that is HCl. Let us check. First volume we have to check here, and the molarity will be 2 divided by 15, right? Look at this. You should not use that formula V1M1 is equal to V2M2. Sometimes it will work out. Sometimes you should be very careful while using that formula. So please don't use that formula. Just write the stoichiometric equation BOH plus HCl. BOH plus HCl gives BCl and then H2O. This is the stoichiometric reaction of BOH titration with HCl. Here we know the volume 2.5 and we know the molarity also. So 2.5 ml. So we have converted that into liter. So it is convenient for us to write the liter format, and then molarity will be 2/5. So here we can find out the number of moles of BOH. Number of moles will be, that is molarity is nothing but the number of moles divided by volume of the solution in liter. Then the number of moles will be 0.0025 into 2 divided by 5. So 5 will be 0.005. Totally it will be 0.001 actually. So the number of moles here, that is the number of moles of BOH present in the solution will be 0.001. So here, that's why the HCl mole also should be 0.001. How I am saying this one exactly? Because 1 mole of BOH needs 1 mole of HCl. This is actually the stoichiometric equation, because there is only one OH in the monoacetic base and HCl is having only one H active part. That's why if it the same number of moles should be reacted to get the end point. So the number of moles we found for this case, the number of moles will be 0.001. And then molarity already they have given. From that we can easily find out the volume of the solution in liter. So how we can find out the volume of the solution in liter? Volume in liter will be equal to number of moles divided by molarity. 0.001 divided by 2 divided by 15. So 15 I am going to take that in the top. Then I will do this one 0.015 actually it will be. So 0.075, right? So 0.0075 liter of HCl used here. So from that the formed salt will be this one. They are asking the concentration of H plus. So they are asking the concentration of H plus. H plus concentration they are asking. So for that we have to find out the pH for the salt which is having weak base and strong acid combination. You know the formula, weak base and strong acid combination. You please check that. It will be there in the ionic equilibrium part. Weak base and strong acid combination. That is very simple. 7 and weak base. This is weak base. So 7 minus pKb by 2 and then minus log C by 2. That's all. It's very simple. So log C means concentration of that salt. Here the acid has been used completely. So acid will not be there at the end point. BOH will also not be there at the end point. Only the water and BCl will be there at the end point. BCl is the salt which is formed by the combination of weak base and then strong acid. So how it will be? 7 minus pKb. We have to check the pKb, right? So let us see the pKb, whether they have given, they have given Kb, right? So from that we can find out the pKb will be negative logarithm of 10 to the power minus 12. So anything will be, pKb means negative logarithm of Kb. That is nothing but the 12, right? So 12 by 2. So 12 by 2 will be 6 actually. And then log C, concentration of the salt we have to take. But we don't know the concentration of the salt. That is molarity of the salt we need. So here look at this. If 1 mole is getting reacted with 1 mole of HCl, 1 mole of salt will be formed. So the number of moles will be, molarity is nothing but the concentration. So number of moles of that salt will also be 0.001. And here, look at this. We have taken some volume, additional volume is there. So already 0.0025 liter is there and then 0.0075 liter is there. So total volume will be 0.0025 and 0.0075. So totally it will be 0.010. So it will be 0.01. So finally the molarity of the salt formed will be 0.1. So log C will be log of 10 to the power minus 1 divided by 2. So 7 minus 6 and then 10 to the power minus 1 is nothing but the 1. Actually minus 1 should be in front when you are having the log value. So minus 1 into minus, then it will be plus 1. So what is the answer actually? 7 minus 6, there will be 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2, that is nothing but the 3 by 2. pH will be 3 by 2. That is 1.5. So pH is nothing but 3 by 2. That is negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration will be, negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration will be 3 by 2. That is 1.5. So what may be the H plus value? It will be difficult, right? So let us check with the help of the choice. So what are the choices? 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 14 and 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 7. Let us check everything. But here 1.5 is there, right? So 1.5 means how it will be possible? 3.2. Shall I take that 3.2? 3.2, negative logarithm of 3.2 into 10 to the power, because it's 1.5, that's why I'm going to take like that, 10 to the power minus 2, because 1.5 means it is related to 2. If it is 10 to the power minus 2, then I will get, that is a hydrogen ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 2, I will get only 2, right? It will be related to 10 to the power minus 2. That's why I have taken this value. And then how we can write that one? Log of 3.2 and then negative log of 10 to the power minus 2. So negative log of 3.2, actually log 3 will be minus 477. Approximately I am going to take that as 5 and this will be plus 2. So totally 1.5 I am getting. Look at this. So if I am substituting the value of 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 2, then I will get the exact value of 1.5. What we have got from pH calculation. So hope you understand this one. If you couldn't able to understand that one, please repeat the video again and again. See that again and again, because it will be JEE mains question. So if you are learning this one in a proper way, at most 25% of the equilibrium concept will be get into your mind. Thank you.